Hello everybody, this is Dom, and in this video we are going to discuss how to create or how to schedule a Facebook post. There are, as I've covered on a few other videos, there are two main ways to schedule content on Social Studio, Salesforce Social Studio, um, and those are comprised of first clicking on this green button and choosing your platform. And here I'll do that and open. Let's see. Oops. Screw that up already. Um, I'll leave that open. Close this down. So that's what happens when you click on this green button. Takes you to create a post. And then the other option is to click on the calendar itself and choose the platform that you want to publish from. So in this case, we're doing Facebook, so I chose Facebook. And now, as you can see, it looks very similar to the last one, but if you're paying attention down at the bottom left there, you can see there's a small difference. On this one, it says publish now, whereas on the one that you set up on the calendar, where you click on the calendar, it says schedule from Social Studio. So for the publish now one, the first thing you do after you click the green button is you choose the platform. You said Facebook, so all it's showing you are Facebook options here. And if there are multiple Facebook accounts in your workspace, then you can either choose among them, or you can click this button right here and choose all of them. And then for content, this is where you write your text. This is some text. And then you are going to want to upload an image. Nope, I want you to have my driver's license. Let's see. This is for Instagram, but let's go ahead and use it. All right, Race Across America. All right, and if you wanted to, you could add some labels. Veteran of the Day, Air Force benefits. You would just either create a new label or just choose a label that applies. This was on Vantage Point, so I guess I'll use Vantage Point. You can use you can type in location here if you have one. One note, however, is that in the past this has led to posts failing, so it's probably been fixed by now. But I just thought I would point that out. If you're having failures of your content to post and you've been using locations like let's see, New Orleans VA Medical Center. So if you selected a location, you can choose that if you want. But if it fails to post, then I would check here to see if this is messing it up. So you choose a location. I've never done branded content, so I doubt that you'll need to. But if you do, we'll cover that in some other video, I imagine. Deployment. Notice it's set to publish now, and that's why this button is green. You're publishing right now. Link shortening is already selected. bddy.me, powered by Bitly. You can choose not to shorten if you want for some reason. And you can also choose to target. So you can target based on interests, target based on age, gender, location. In the past, you might want to target. So if it's for a particular medical center, and so like New Orleans VA Medical Center, and you want to target the area, or let's see, Louisiana. Yeah, well, you could just choose that. Or you could have just typed in Louisiana and chosen the entire state. But you can also type in a language if you want. But so that's for newsfeed targeting. And you can also restrict audiences 17 plus, 18, 19, 21. You're probably not going to need to do that, but if you needed to, it's there. Now you can publish it. Boom. Now this is on a test account, so it's not going to go anywhere important. But so that should publish any minute now. Notice it's still kind of a darker blue. Once it goes to grayed out, that's when it's well, looks like it already did. If you refresh the page, it should show up as grayed out. Yeah, there you go. That's your indication that this post is published. Notice this one over here has not grayed out. So this is some text. I'm just going to copy that. Now that is one way to do it. Here is the other way. This is when we clicked on the calendar, and here I'm going to select this Facebook page and paste this text. But notice down here, deployment is not publish immediately. It's schedule from Social Studio. And notice it has a date and a time. That's because I clicked on that day at that time on the calendar. And so it automatically fills that in. I generally schedule content. I don't do a whole lot of publishing right now. So um, if you're trying to schedule out in advance, to me it's easier to just click on the calendar because it automatically populates that information. And so you got all the same information that you can do. And then let's see, WAAIG. All right, cool. Um, Upload your image. Yeah, cool. All right. And then instead of publishing, you are actually scheduling it from Social Studio. And so you click it, and instead of going out right now, it's going to end up on your calendar. So notice this is some text. It is scheduled now on your calendar for Wednesday the 15th at 3 p.m. And that is the other way to publish or to schedule content. You can either schedule it to go out immediately or schedule it to go out in the future. And those are the two options for scheduling content on for Facebook in Social Studio. Hopefully that helps, and have a good day.